raise photo printing to the next level. The smallest and lightest class of dye-sublimation duplex digital photo printer. Discover DS820DX. This duplex printer offers not only high-quality, single-sided photo prints, but also the capability for double-sided prints. Additionally, it introduces innovative features, such as a vertical cutter, as well as a creaser, enhancing its versatility for a wide range of prints. These new features extend beyond high-quality photo prints to include photo books, greeting cards, calendars, and a diverse array of other photo print options. The creaser function in the printer is a standout development, enabling precise creasing of photo paper to ensure high-quality flush photo books and other products. Notably, the DS820DX is the first DNP photo printer to offer this capability. It enables various photo products with only one printer. Discover the DNP's dye-sublimation duplex photo printer, DS820DX.